Which state in India has the highest number of internet users? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. India shares the longest border with which country? A. Pakistan, B. Bangladesh, C. China. Correct answer is A. Pakistan. What is the average lifespan of a goat? A. 8 to 10 years, B. 12 to 14 years, C. 15 to 18 years. Correct answer is A. 8 to 10 years. What is the most popular sport in Nepal? A. Cricket, B. Football, C. Volleyball. Correct answer is B. Football. Which country was the first to cultivate tea? A. India, B. Japan, C. China. Correct answer is C. China. Which country did America once belong to as a colony? A. Spain, B. Britain, C. France. Correct answer is B. Britain. Which animal sleeps for 2 months after birth and cries like a baby? A. Seal, B. Baby bear, C. Sea otter. Correct answer is B. Baby bear. Bhangra is a traditional dance of which Indian state? A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Punjab. What is the national sweet of India? A. Rasgulla, B. Jalebi, C. Laddu. Correct answer is B. Jalebi. Which country produces the most potatoes in the world? A. India, B. Russia, C. China. Correct answer is C. China. In which city is the largest bus stand in India located? A. Bengaluru, B. Delhi, C. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Chennai. Which Indian state produces the most soybeans? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Which city is known as the City of Gardens? A. Shimla, B. Bengaluru, C. Surat. Correct answer is B. Bengaluru. Which country has the highest number of universities in the world? A. India, B. USA, C. China. Correct answer is A. India. Which Indian state has the lowest Muslim population? A. Punjab, B. Mizoram, C. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is B. Mizoram. In which sea is no fish found? A. Caspian Sea, B. Dead Sea, C. Arabian Sea. Correct answer is B. Dead Sea. Which is the largest cotton producing state in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. Which country's flag has a double triangle shape? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is A. Nepal. Which Indian state has the longest road length? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Which color do cows prefer? A. Red, B. Green, C. No specific color. Correct answer is C. No specific color.